How to connect Apple AirPods to iPhone or Android. So here is how to do so. First of all you have to do is unlock your iPhone and open the AirPods case and hold the case near your iPhone or Android. Then all you have to do is, in your iPhone or Android device, tap on the settings app available from your home screen. Then once inside the settings app, tap on the Bluetooth option available there. Inside Bluetooth, simply tap on your AirPods name. So the process is same in iPhone and Android, so you can repeat this process in your Android as well. So tap on your Bluetooth name and wait for a while for your AirPods to be connected to your iPhone or your Android device. On Android, you won't get advanced features like automatic switching, spatial audio, or battery pop-ups, but it will be connected. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.